Hey yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So yeah guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn on ultra snapshot on a Huawei device. So for those of you guys who don't know what ultra snapshot is, it's basically when your phone is locked, this allows you to double press your volume down and it'll actually open your camera up super quickly. So just say you guys want to take a photo of something like let's just say a moving object, and you guys don't have time to open up your unlock your phone and then open up your camera. What you guys can do is actually double press your volume down and it'll actually turn on your it'll actually open up your camera. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it. It's actually super easy. So first of all, what you guys are going to want to do is open up your settings, and then you guys are going to want to scroll down to accessibility and features, which is right here. And from here you guys are going to want to go to shortcut and gestures, and here as you guys can see the second option says ultra snapshot. So click this, and so basically when you guys, I can't actually show it to you guys because once I close my phone the recording will stop. So you guys go ahead, try it out yourself. When your phone is on in the lock mode, try to double press your volume down. So that is it for today's video. Don't forget to drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and turn your post notifications on by hitting the bell icon down below. With that, I see you guys in the next one. Peace.